Hi, everybody. Happy Friday afternoon. I hope everybody's doing well and enjoying this weather that we're going to have outside. Just want to take a couple minutes and make sure that everybody is doing okay, and also that you feel like you can find all of the information that you wanted to. So this is your little weekly message for you. And I think probably next week we'll kind of do a little survey and make sure that you feel like you're finding the information okay, that you understand the information, and all of those types of things. So I want to take just a minute today and make sure that everybody is navigating this Schoology page and this course as easy as possible. So give me just a second to shrink myself down here to the corner so that we can take a look at it. So what I'm currently looking at is your Schoology page. I'm going to come right on down, and I just want to point out to you as you get used to this class, and truthfully, as I get used to teaching online and cyber, that we're making everything as clear for you as possible. When you come in, I'm going to go ahead and leave this up. I always call this a daily agenda in my live classes, but I hope that you might feel that it's beneficial for you as well. When this comes up, you should be able to see when you log in the most current week. So when you log in right now, you're going to be able to see that it says this week, September 13th to the 17th. But by navigating through these arrows, what you're also going to be able to do is to get back to all of the previous weeks and those daily agenda / weekly agendas that we had. But when you log in, it should actually come up with exactly what's going on for this week. So some of you might like that format, but for the rest of you, you actually might like to just follow our different module folder kind of thing like this. So obviously this upcoming week is going to be module 2. I'm going to come right in there, and I'm going to be able to see that I've got my week of 913 checklist, and that's going to be out there for you so you can take a look at it. Also, our little weekly message where we're just kind of asking you a couple questions. This video will be posted there. And then what I also wanted to just share with you again is that by being a member of a cyber business class, if you would like to get involved with DECA at your home school, you are more than welcome. Our clubs all run a little different from each other. So you want to go into this slide and reach out to your homeschool advisor so they can let you know exactly what's going on. For those of you that your homeschool is East, I would be your advisor. And if you would like to become a member of East, we've got a lot of information for you. And our deadline for membership is going to be October 1st. Not all of your other schools are like that, but if you happen to be at East, that's where I am too, and that's how that whole thing is going to roll out. When you look at this week, underneath your checklist, it's going to let you know where you're going to be able to find your different assignments. So you can do it that way, or of course, you can also just come right to your login for this class, scroll down a little bit, and underneath of upcoming, you should be able to see what's coming up for you the following week. I'm going to provide you with a pacing guide right here with suggested things, but your final due date will be 2/15 on Friday every single week. I would really encourage for all of your classes that you kind of sit down every week and dedicate some time for how you're going to get stuff done. I'm sure you all have your own way that you like to do things. This week, we're going to have our first assessment. Our study guides are always unlimited amount of times you would like to take them, and they are also optional. You can decide if you would like to do that or not. All of our assessments are going to be open note. So you have your first assessment this week. It is going to be open note for you. If you run into any questions or problems, please make sure you let me know. The last addition that I had to the Schoology page from the week before was going to be my little Bitmoji if you would like to schedule a meeting with me. I would love to meet with some of you, but cyber is going to be asynchronous, so it's not something that you have to do. But for those of you that have reached out and shared a little bit about yourselves, I do really appreciate that. I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend, and please contact me with any questions that you might have. Have a great day. See ya.